Hello, my name is Hollie Potts, and I'm a consultant in the Apptio line of business with Rego Consulting. I've been here since about last October, and I'm a principal strategic advisor. I help with clients, helping with things like adoption and roadmaps, and helping them just fine-tune their practices. I am really excited for Rego University, and I'm primarily going to be teaching classes around adoption and, how TBM works with other disciplines like Agile and FinOps. So I'm really excited to see how we can show people how to gain adoption, the user experience. I've done a lot of that in my career, trying to find ways to get people excited about TBM and wanting to log into Apptio and see their data and helping them with different areas of their work that is challenging and making it easier. So I'm excited to be teaching classes about that at Rego U. I am most looking forward to meeting different people at Rego U. The TBM conference has always been my favorite time of the year, and I've been to every TBM conference. And what I love about it is the collaboration and meeting people who are also interested in the same thing that I am. And that's why I'm really excited about Rego U.